Jobvu of Zambia in your picture there in 4, Das, India in 5, the 400 specialist, Mohammed of the Maldives in 7, and Nyamhunga, the Ugandan national champion, nearest the camera in 8. Only 5 in 3 of them are coming back for the semis.
Set.
A watchful Jobvu of Zambia coming up, or trying to get up onto the shoulder of Das, and these 3 should be well clear of the rest. Hima, the world junior champion back in 2018 over the 400, showing that speed endurance. Das takes it from Jobvu second. Nyamhunga is clearing away in third. A different level in this second heat, just outside 23.